Assalamu alaikum class. How are you all? Okay. Today our activity topic is articles. Do you know about articles?
Yes.
Okay. Amir Ali, tell me how many articles are?
There are three articles, a and the.
Yes. Aladdin, how many types of articles?
There are two types of articles, indefinite articles, definite articles.
Yes, indefinite articles and definite articles. Okay. Today we will do activity with the help of written words and 3 boxes. Zafarullah, pick up the one word from here and put it in the suitable box. Taj Mahal. Because Taj Mahal is a unique word, so we will put it in the box. Okay. Ali Asnan, pick up the one word. Cake. Okay, put it. Yes, because C is a consonant, so we will put it in a box. Okay. Next, Heather, pick up bache. Pick up one word. Show me. Moon. Okay, moon. No, it's wrong. Okay, no problem. Aladdin, pick up the one word. No. Next one. Pick up the next one. Apple. Okay. Put it. Yes. Because A is a vowel and we will put it in the AND box. Okay.